Cyberchase for real.
Bye, thank you. Drive safely.
Bye. You are an incredible cook. But this 3-berry pie takes the cake.
Thanks. The recipe's been in my family for years.
Have you ever thought about selling them?
It's too much work to bake and then take it to market.
We could do it together. You bake, I'll sell.
Okay, deal.
Deal.
I got the pie pans you asked for.
Bianca, I asked for 9-inch pie pans.
Those are 9 inches. I measured them.
Does this look like 9 inches to you?
I didn't measure them like this. I measured them like this. They're 9 inches.
Let me show you something. Pies are always measured across the diameter. It is the measure from one side to the other through the center. The circumference of this pan is 9 inches, but the diameter is a little less than 3 inches. The circumference is always a little more than 3 times the diameter. So if you know one, you can estimate the other. This pan is 9 inches across. So what do you think the circumference is?
Well, 3 times 9 is 27, and a little bit more is about 28.
Get it?
Got it. I'm hungry. These pies are so good.
I'll take the big one.
Oh, okay. My first sale. This calls for a celebration. Oh, a little pie, perhaps? Yes, thanks. There you go. Thank you. It's lunchtime already. I can't leave my stand, but I am kind of hungry.
Do you have any free samples?
Huh?
Most everyone here gives free samples.
Oh, okay.
Thanks. Delicious. I'll take 2. Thank you.
Thanks. Well, I can't let the itty-bitty piece go to waste.
Well, how'd we do? $10? All that work for $10?
I spent the rest on stomach medicine.
Come on.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.